Welcome to my study channel. Today we are going to discuss child development and pedagogy one-liner question answers of previous CTET exams. Friends, this is fast revision, so let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is the meaning of development is. So the answer is series of changes as a result of maturation and experience. So let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is cognitive development means. The answer is development of intelligence. Let's move to question number 3. Language development of the children depends on. Friends, the answer is better schooling, better socio-economic environment, freedom of expression given to the child. Friends, these are 3 options. In case all 3 options are there, then you have to choose the answer all of these. Otherwise, if only one option is there, then you have to choose that option. Let's move to next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is the difficult age of development is. Answer is teenage. Now question number 5. Adolescents get pleasure. First is in the company of their friends. Second is by examining their body structure and physique. And third is in the company of the opposite sex. Friends, if one option is there, then you have to choose that option, and in case all 3 options are there, then you have to choose all of the above. So question number 6 is the most appropriate meaning of learning is modification of behavior. So let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is development starts from prenatal stage. Question number 8. Question number 8 is scope of child psychology is study the characteristics from conception to adolescence. So I repeat the question. Scope of child psychology is study the characteristics from conception to adolescence. Let's move to question number 9. The social learning theory proposed by Miller and Dollard said that जो social learning theory है, जो मिलर और डॉलर ने जो है प्रपोज की है, उसके बेस पे आंसर जो है इसका ये है कि people learn by watching what others do. Second is human thoughts processes are central to understanding personality, and if only one option is there, then you have to choose one option, but if 2 options are there, then you have to choose. जैसे उसमें दिया होगा कि 1 and 2 ऐसे करके A and B. Let's move to question number 10. Question number 10 is Naresh and Mukesh are in the same group. They show differences in social mental development is due to. Answer is principle of individuality. Now question number 11 is understanding the principle of development of a child helps a teacher. Answer is effectively cater to the different learning style of learners. Question number 12. Sorry guys. Now question number 12 is scope of study of child development is. Answer is study of different stages of development, study of individual differences, study of effects of environment. Friends, आप सोचोगे कि इसमें आपने वन लाइनर लिखा है ऊपर, what you have given three options here, then what is the reason of writing 3 options there? Friends, these questions are most important, that is why I have written here. So if 3 options are there, then you have to choose the answer all of the above. So next question, that is question number 13. The central focus of child psychology is. Answer is the child. Gassel's theory of maturation says that जो Gassel's theory है maturation की, वो क्या कहती है? वो कहती है कि maturity of a child depends on its heredity and the environment. कि जो maturity है child की वो depend करती है heredity and environment पे. So let's move to question number 15. determination of individual differences in human beings relate to? Answer is interaction between heredity and environment. Question number 16 is environment is an external force which influences us. Who said this? Most important question. environment जो है एक external force है, ये किसने कहा है जो कि हमें इन्फ्लुएंस करती है? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है आंसर इज रोस. Then question number 17 is Rita has got a nose similar to her father. It is due to answer is biological heredity. Question number 18 is the physical characteristics of a child is influenced by answer is DNA of father and mother. Question number 19 an intelligent father has intelligent child due to ये किसके कारण होता है? This is due to heredity. Answer is heredity. So let's move to question number 20. Thinker who defined environment as anything immediately surrounding an object and exerting a direct influence on it. So answer is P. Gisworth. Once again, this question is important, so I repeat it. Thinker who defined environment as anything immediately surrounding an object and exerting a direct influence on it. Answer is P. Gisworth. So let's move to question number. Sorry guys, now we have finished all the questions. So thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.